Good day, this is Rob coming to you from ironfind.ca from Abbotsford, BC. Today we're going to show you this 2016 Peterbilt 567. It currently has 226 kilometers on the chassis. The engine was rebuilt at 604,910 kilometers, so about 19,000 K on the new engine, with less than probably 300 hours on the engine. It has a Cummins ISX15, 550 horse, 2050 torque, Jake brake, double diffs, and a Eaton Fuller 18-speed RTLO 20918B. The front axle rating is 13,200 on a taper leaf suspension, and the rear axle is a 40,000 axle model D40 170. That is the Super 40 rear axle. The 46 inners and outside case is a little lighter for highway use. 3.73 axle ratio in there, and it sits on Peterbilt low leaf air suspension. The front tires, or the tires all around, are actually 22.5 inch on aluminums, inners and outers. Wheelbase is 242 inches. It has dual 135 gallon tanks, 80 inch high roof sleeper, interior platinum, fresh MVI just been done. It also, when the engine was redone, it was done in April of 2019, this year, at 604,910 kilometers. I do have all the paperwork, so on request I can email that to you. And factory warranty till March 28th, 2020, or 804,672 kilometers. We'll take a quick walk around on it. Besides the aluminum on the truck needing a good polish, the truck has no damage, no visible damage that I've seen, and I'm going to go over the whole truck with you here. But we'll go around and we'll come up here. Fender. We'll come back to the bumpers. I'm by myself here, so I'm doing this video on my own. So I'll open the hood at that time before I get in and show the interior. The door is good. Stairs are fine. Let's go up sleeper, then across and back down. Back out a bit. You can see there's a tank, fuel tank there. Auto greasing system is on the unit as well as a bunk heater. Come around the back of the cab here, chain holders, or back of the bunk I should say. It's sunny today, so there we go. And we'll come in between the next two axles here. Rubber is quite good on there. I don't like full percentages, but I would say they're really beefy still. CVI has just been done to this truck. Come up behind it, show you the frame. Never been painted, so they're original. It's original paint on there. I'm limited for space, so we're just gonna quick look here. On this side. And pan up. Sleeper. Come down. Across here. Up the door. We're going to come back this way. We're going to open up the hood. Like I said, I'm on my own today, so what we'll do Here's our engine. We'll start it up in a minute here. We're just going to go inside, take a look inside the truck itself. The only thing I noticed was this seat right there, but the other seat looks like it's really new, so we could switch them around, but it's still a good seat. Seems to come back to instrumentation. Up above, I hope you have enough light in here. I'm going to pull back a bit. Sleeper, big sleeper, lots of storage. Heater controls, more storage along the top. It is a single sleeper. Window on that side, looks like a door on that side. Everything goes with the truck here. It's in here now. Let's take a look at the floor. Yeah. We'll start it up right now. There's your current image on it. Any leaks at all in there. Very clean. There you have it. Another nice piece of iron from ironfind.ca. Call log 604-996-5159.